Hello, dear friends. It's wonderful to connect with you today. I want to take a moment to speak to you about a habit that many of us engage in without even realizing it. It's a simple yet profound action we often overlook, and that is the tendency to describe or narrate the events of our lives. In doing so, we may inadvertently limit ourselves and trap our true potential. Let's explore this together, shall we? Every day, we find ourselves sharing our experiences, recounting our challenges, and describing what is happening in our lives. While it may feel natural to express these things, we must recognize the energy and power that our words carry. Words are not just mere sounds, they are the building blocks of our reality. When we focus on what is happening in our lives, we tend to reinforce those very circumstances. Instead of viewing our lives as a canvas full of potential and possibilities, we often turn them into a script that constrains us. Imagine for a moment that your life is a storybook. You hold the pen, and with every word you speak, you are writing the narrative. If your focus is solely on the problems, the limitations, or the challenges you face, you are essentially crafting a tale of struggle and hardship. On the other hand, if you choose to focus on your desires, your dreams, and the life you wish to create, you begin to write a different story, one filled with hope, possibility, and abundance. When we tell others what is going on in our lives, we may inadvertently invite their opinions, judgments, and perspectives into our personal narrative. This exchange can often dilute our vision and strengthen the hold of negativity on our subconscious mind. Instead, I encourage you to be mindful of the words you choose to share. Instead of speaking about what is, focus on what you wish to experience. For instance, rather than saying, "I am struggling with my finances," you might affirm, "I am attracting abundance into my life." This subtle shift not only transforms your narrative but also aligns your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to manifest. The power of imagination is your greatest ally. It is in the realm of imagination that you can create and reshape your reality. Visualize the life you desire in vivid detail. Engage all your senses. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. The more real it becomes in your imagination, the more it will manifest in your physical world. By focusing your thoughts and feelings on the life you desire, you begin to alter the course of your reality. Every moment spent dwelling on your current circumstances is a moment taken away from envisioning your desired future. This is not to say that we should ignore our problems or pretend they don't exist. Acknowledging our reality is important, but dwelling on it can be detrimental. Rather than repeatedly discussing your challenges, transform them into catalysts for growth and change. Instead of saying, "I have health issues," consider, "I am nurturing my body to be vibrant and full of life." By doing this, you shift the focus from what is wrong to what can be transformed. Consider the stories you tell yourself as well. Each one contributes to the overall narrative of your life. If you constantly replay stories of disappointment, fear, or inadequacy, you reinforce those beliefs within yourself. It's time to rewrite your inner dialogue. Instead of focusing on failures or setbacks, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Recognize your strengths and the progress you've made. This practice will not only boost your self-esteem but also attract more positive experiences into your life. Surround yourself with uplifting and encouraging words. Engage in conversations that inspire and uplift rather than drain and discourage. Seek out individuals who share a vision of abundance and positivity. When you speak about your dreams and aspirations, choose your words carefully. Rather than using phrases that imply uncertainty or doubt, think of affirmations that reflect your confidence in the manifestation of your desires. The language you use shapes your perception of reality. Words have the power to elevate your spirit or diminish it. The choice is yours. Think of language that resonates with the vision of your ideal life. When someone asks how you are doing, respond with words that reflect your aspirations rather than your current situation. "I am growing and expanding," for instance, is far more empowering than simply stating, "I am okay." As you begin to shift your language and focus, you will notice changes in your mindset. The world around you will begin to reflect your inner transformation. When you choose to speak about possibilities rather than limitations, you open the door to new opportunities. Life is not static, it is constantly shifting and changing based on the energy we put into it. By choosing to focus on the positive aspects of your journey, you set into motion a chain reaction of creation. Let us get deeper into this concept. Have you ever experienced a moment when you felt particularly inspired or passionate about something? In those moments, your words flowed effortlessly, and you felt a sense of connection with the world around you. This is the energy of creation. You are tapping into the vibrational frequency of your desires. Hold on to that feeling and cultivate it daily. When you express gratitude for what you already have while also envisioning what you wish to create, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Every time you catch yourself falling back into the habit of narrating your current challenges, pause and redirect your thoughts. Ask yourself, what do I want to create in my life? Focus on that desire and allow it to permeate your thoughts. Visualize it, feel it, and think of the emotions associated with it. The more you practice this, the more natural it will become, and soon you will find that your focus shifts effortlessly from what is to what can be. Life is a series of choices, and every choice carries a consequence. Choose to speak words that uplift and inspire. Choose to share your vision rather than your problems. The more you do this, the more you will find that your life transforms in accordance with your new narrative. You hold the power to shape your reality through the words you speak, the thoughts you entertain, and the beliefs you cultivate. Additionally, take time to reflect on your life daily. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this. Write down your desires, your goals, and your dreams. Put them into words that resonate with your heart and soul. As you write, visualize yourself already living that reality. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude that comes with it. This practice not only helps solidify your intentions but also allows you to see how far you have come on your journey. Now, let's explore the idea of silence for a moment. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is to be quiet. Allow yourself moments of stillness to reflect, to feel, and to connect with your inner self. In these moments of silence, you can access a deeper understanding of your desires and the direction you wish to take. When you do speak, ensure that your words carry the weight of your intention and the clarity of your vision. Remember that every thought you entertain, every word you speak, and every emotion you feel contributes to the fabric of your life. Choose to weave a tapestry of joy, love, and abundance. The more you practice this, the more it will become second nature. So, dear friends, I invite you to think of the power of your imagination. As you engage with your thoughts and words, remember that you are the creator of your reality. Your imagination holds the key to unlocking a world filled with possibilities. Don't limit yourself to what you see in the physical realm. Instead, envision the life you wish to live, and allow that vision to guide you. In conclusion, I encourage you to adopt a mindset that prioritizes positivity and possibility. Life is a rich tapestry of experiences, and you have the power to shape your narrative. Rather than recounting the difficulties you face, shift your focus toward your aspirations, your dreams, and the abundance that surrounds you. It's in these moments of intention that you begin to create the life you desire. So, take a moment today to pause, reflect, and speak words that lift you higher. The power to change your story lies within you. As we wrap up our conversation, I invite you to take action. If you found value in this message, please like this video and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps spread positivity and awareness. Additionally, consider subscribing to the channel. You can also hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Each video is crafted with care, aiming to empower you on your journey. Your support means a lot and encourages us to continue creating more valuable insights for you. Every small action contributes to a larger movement of positivity. By sharing your thoughts and experiences, you play a vital role in fostering a space where others can find encouragement and motivation. Together, let's build a foundation where we uplift and inspire each other to pursue our dreams. Thank you for being a part of this conversation. Your willingness to reflect on your life and engage with these ideas demonstrates your commitment to personal growth. Keep shining your light and sharing your journey. Together, we can create a world filled with possibility and inspiration.